welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If this is the first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you all doing? Hope you're not doing good, and I hope you are doing great. So, lovelies, as you see in the title, we're going to talk about how to treat acne, pimples, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you how to treat it. But before going into the video, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at ellaskincare_1 and shout me up on WhatsApp if you want to get any skincare products, hair care products. I sell and deliver worldwide. And hey, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, subscription is absolutely free. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button and also hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload video. It means a whole lot to me, it means a lot to me, like a whole lot. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, lovelies, today, like I said earlier, we're going to talk about how to treat acne, pimples, and yeah, other kind of stuff, pimples, acne, and all that. I'm going to show you stuff that you can use, things that you can buy from the market. If you like to buy from us, you buy from us. If you don't like to buy from us, you buy from the market. Okay, things that you can buy from the market that will help you with your acne, your pimples, and your ache. Now, for those of you who have chronic acne, like those kind of strong gangan pimples, very strong, maybe like they box, okay, those kind of strong pimples. I've met like quite a few people like that will tell me, nothing works for my acne, the only thing that works is injection. Anything that does an injection does not work. Please, I don't need anything, I just need injection. That's why I go to the hospital. Unless it's something that is hereditary, okay, even if it's hereditary, you can still solve that acne on your face with using skincare products. Okay, I had a customer like that was telling me that when it's hereditary, the only thing that works for her is injection. And after taking injection, you should take the injection this month. Okay, the first week of this month, her face is going to be clean, like strictly clean. Then after this month, the next month, if she has done administer injection to her, okay, she will have those acne again. They'll start coming out again. I was like, okay, let me treat you. She was like, no, the only thing that works is injection. I was like, give me a try. Just try me. Try me, may you see. Okay, don't judge the book by the cover. Don't mind me. Okay, and she did with the whole stuff that I gave to her, it worked. Okay, that was a kit. That one is a kit. But right here, I'm not going to talk about a kit because we're not discussing how to get rid of serious those gigantic pimples. But if in case you have that, you can sharpen it up. But now I'm going to show you how to take care of your normal pimples, acne, and ache that is disturbing your face, that will not allow you to have a smooth face, that will not allow you to go out without makeup. Yes, I for one have stopped wearing makeup for a long time, unless maybe I'm going out to a party, okay, because my face is smooth. One thing I also want to let you guys know is that having a beautiful skin is not about being too white, okay, because sorry, I know that this video doesn't have anything to do with what I want to say, but having a beautiful skin is not about being too white. I just want to clear the air, because some of you come to me and will like to be complaining, I need a very whitening product, my skin is not good. I'll be like, okay, send me your pictures, let me see how you look like. Your pictures without filter, just like the way I'm looking like right now. And they will send me their pictures, and from what I'm seeing, they have a very beautiful skin. And sometimes if I tell them, ma, I'm sorry, but you have a very nice, beautiful skin, what you should be thinking of is how to maintain this skin that you have. The next thing they'll say is, I'm insulting them, I'm being rude. I don't know, but I feel having a beautiful skin, from what I've seen so far, from what I've learned, like, they say we learn every day. Having a beautiful skin is not about being too white. Having a beautiful skin is you having that lovely, nice, spotless, glowing skin. That is what I call beautiful skin. Okay, having a spotless, nice, glowing skin is what I know as beautiful skin. Not before you to white, not until you get beautiful skin. Yes, I know especially those that are into skincare. If you're in Nigeria, you're into skincare, and you are not fair, you're not white. People will not believe what if I say, but I say, not fair, she's not white. What did she know? She don't know anything. But that's not true. Okay, that's not true. So if you've seen, why am I saying this? If you've seen anybody or anybody telling your skin is beautiful, your skin is glowing, your skin is nice, just believe the person. Or if you see any skincare YouTuber here on YouTube that is dark, and the person is trying to make videos out there for you, believe the person. Okay, try whatever the person have told you. It's our video. I mean, her efforts. They use work. They do this video. So just try it out to see if it works. If it did not work, maybe and check comment section. People are saying that it's not working. Maybe it's not really working. Maybe, but it might be working for others. So don't condemn people's video, channel, whatever someone is telling you because you want to get white or because the person is not fair. So I'm just trying to say that anyway. I'm not trying to clear the air, just to clear the air, nothing more than that. So like I said, I'm going to show you how to treat your ache. You know, I'm bending. I want to pick some stuff. So the first thing you want to get, I know so many of you will not agree with the first thing I want to say, but relax. This is what I have to say. Okay, the first thing you want to get is this carotene. Okay, the first thing you want to get is carotene. Carotene helps a lot with pimples, ache, acne, and all that. Okay, carotene help a lot. Like it really help a lot. So the first thing you want to get is carotene. And you want to get your quick clear. If you've not watched the review I made on quick clear, check it out. Here's the video, check it out. Watch the video. I know stuff that you can do with this quick clear. Quick clear is very small. Okay, so many people just look at it like it's common. Just the way many people look at carotene as common. People call carotene bad just because you use it for a very long time. You're not supposed to use carotene for a very long time. Okay, you're not supposed to use it for a very long time, but it really helps. Okay, so you need carotene, you need your quick clear, and you need Pharmadem. Okay, I'm using the front part of my camera, that's why like it's like this. You need this, like this is a must. Okay, the reason why you need Pharmadem because Pharmadem works very fast for ache, acne, pimples. It contains sulfur. Okay, this is a very good cream. Pharmadem is so good that it's not even popular, and I don't know why it's not popular. Okay, honestly, I don't know why Pharmadem is not popular. Just like the soap, like for me, for myself, if I'm making any black soap, instead of me to add sulfur and neem oil, I add Pharmadem soap to my black soap. Like, see, I cannot talk. I don't want to talk too much. You know, like how they brag, how the black soap be. If you use Pharmadem in your mixture, like you use Pharmadem, you know, get the people stubborn rich. Maybe people stubborn. But this method I'm gonna show you is gonna wipe it out. Like, you come back to tell me thank you, trust me, because this is what people sell for 5,000 naira kits, and it works. Okay, it works. So you need Pharmadem, and the next thing you need is your clean cap tube. Okay, you need a clean cap tube. You need a clean cap gel. I know when I say clean cap gel, some of you will be like, gel. No, clean cap does not contain corrupted. So it's not even hot on the face. It's not hot. Okay, but you need clean cap gel because you work on ache and pimples. It's even written here, ache and pimples. You work a lot on ache and pimples. And the other thing you need your clear and smooth. The clear and smooth I have here is the clear and smooth gel, but you need the clear and smooth cream. And you don't want to use gel on your face. No, I don't even say I advise people to use gel on their body unless you want to use it for some certain things. Okay, and it's not meant to use for a very long time. So you need the clear and smooth cream. I don't have it again in the house. I've brought it out for you to see it. You need clear and smooth cream. The reason why you're adding clear and smooth cream to this is because clear and smooth cream is very good. Like, it's really good when it comes to like smoothing, like to smooth your skin. It does a whole lot of work when it comes to smoothing your skin. Those of you who add tubes to Promix products, you can add your clear and smooth cream to your Promixing. For your customers that are complaining that their skin is not smooth, I mean, you should be able to use your hand to rub your skin and feel the smoothness anywhere in your body, your lap, your buttock, and everywhere. So if you know your customers are complaining that your product is not making their skin to be smooth, you can add clear and smooth tube to your product. Okay. The last thing you need is the DH7 Gold Whitenizer serum. When I made a review on this video that I love DH7 a lot, that is one of my favorite. Just in case you've not watched this video, please go and watch the video. The link will be on the description box for you to watch the video and know serums that you can use for your skincare product. Okay, so what you want to do is that you take one of your D7 whitenizer. You need half of your clear and smooth. Please, you're not allowed to use the whole of your clear and smooth tube because it's a little bit kind of like has whitening properties inside. Okay, contains steroid. Maybe use that one. Yes, contains steroid. So you don't want to use it too much. You just need half of it. Half of it is okay. And this cream, you are going to use it for only 2 weeks. You're not going to use this cream more than 2 weeks. Okay, you're going to use it for only 2 weeks. So you need half of your clear and smooth tube. You need one of your clean cap. The clean cap, you're going to use all of that, the whole clean cap. Use all of the clean cap. And your Pharmadim, you need all the whole Pharmadim. Okay, you're going to use one Pharmadim. The reason why I'm using one Pharmadim, you can see I've used this Pharmadim. I use it for someone. Okay, it's used. Okay, the reason why I did not finish this is because I just added a little to our face cream. I'm the one that is making a customized skincare product, so I'm not adding a little to our face cream to just prevent ache and pimples from coming back since we treated it before. Okay, so you need one of this, and you need one whole carotene, and this your quick clear. Your quick clear, you're going to take half of your quick clear. Okay, you take half of your quick clear, you take one of this, you mix it very well. Make sure the bowl you're mixing it with is properly sterilized, or you just use hot water to like wash it. So rinse it with hot water. If you know your bowl is clean, rinse it with hot water. This is gonna be your face cream at night. Like you're gonna use it to rub your face every night, back to back every night. If you know you're not going out in the morning, you can use this to rub your face in the morning, like back to back. Now let's come to your scrub. Since you have ache and pimples on your face, acne as some people call it, on your face, you need a facial scrub. Okay, you can get any mild scrub to scrub your face. You can get any mild scrub to scrub your face, very mild scrub, or you can use Ashanti goat milk scrub to scrub your face. It is really very good on the face if you cannot afford Promix face scrub that works for ache and pimples. Just get Ashanti goat milk scrub. Okay, use it to scrub your face in a very mild circular motion. After scrubbing your face, you use your face cream. Please make sure you use an antibacterial facial soap on your face, or if you cannot get any antibacterial facial soap on your face, go to the market and look for ache soap. Okay, ache and pimple soap. There are so many cheap ache and pimple soap. There's some are sold for 500, some are sold for 1,000 naira. Just pick any cheap ache and pimple soap and use it on your face. Use this face cream and use the scrub. So let me tell you how you use this. Okay, when you want to take your bath in the evening, after using your face soap on your face, you just wash it. Just wash it off fast. Just wash it off very fast. So remove any dirt, anything from your face. Wash it off, and then you scrub your face in circular motion. Allow the scrub to stay on your face for 3 minutes. So 5 minutes maximum. 5 minutes. Rinse the scrub off your face and take down your ache facial soap to make a mask on your face, and you take your bath. Just take your bath. After taking your bath, you come to your face. Your face will be the last thing that you wash. Okay, you come to your face and you wash it. Okay, after washing your face, you go out of the bathroom. Don't use your towel that you use it to clean your body to clean your face. Please have a face towel, or just be like me. I don't clean my face. I know it sounds crazy. Okay, I don't clean my face. I just let my face air dry. Okay, so if you can do that, do that. Then I know most of you have been asking me in the morning, what am I going to use? If I'm going out in the morning, what am I going to use? In the morning, just look for something mild to use on your face. Get a facial serum and to rub your face when you are going out, or if you know you cannot afford that, you don't want to buy or you cannot buy, just take aloe vera gel to rub your face in the morning when you are going out. Don't you use sunscreen, use aloe vera gel first, and then you use your sunscreen on your face and you're good to go. Okay, so do this routine in the morning, the one I said just now in the morning, and the one I said earlier in the night, and 2 weeks, trust me, 2 weeks maximum, your face will be clear. Okay, this is not a whitening anti-ache treatment. It might make some people white, it might make some people light, it might just leave your skin there, but the major thing is we are trying to treat ache and pimples. Okay, you're trying to have a flawless, smooth face. That's the most important thing. That's why I'm making this video, just for you to have your clean, smooth face. So lovelies, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button, to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye.